So I'm going to be removing the dishwasher pieces here that spin around and sling the water. This one here, you can see this gray piece here, you just rotate it counterclockwise and it comes out. And there's one on top. You rotate that one clockwise. See right there. And now I'm going to take these outside and attempt to clean them up. So I'm outside, I've got this window washer bucket here, and it's large enough for my dishwasher parts to fit in. And you can probably see already, let's see right here, there's something lodged in that hole. And there's something lodged in this hole. And so I want to get those things out of it. Now look at this one here. What happens is things get inside this channel here and it blocks the water. And so what I want to do, I've got the shop vac set up here for vacuuming water. And I've got this rubber piece here, and I think I can put that on there and pull the water backwards and hopefully get whatever's in there to come out. Let's see. I just have to find the right fitting. This seems to fit pretty good, just like that. That one didn't fit very good that way. I need to come up with something that fits that tighter. What I might end up doing is having to 3D print some sort of an adapter. Let's see what I've got. So I don't really have a good adapter to fit this perfectly. For now, I'm going to measure and 3D print something that goes in there. But for now, I'm just going to try with this. Got this adapter here, and I'm just going to duct tape it to the hose just to get it to seal and pull a vacuum. This will work temporarily until I can 3D print the proper part. And so that works pretty good for that. I just need something that goes inside this hole, and I'll have to make something. But the idea is I'm going to pull a vacuum on that. I'm going to hold this underwater and back flush all these through all these channels here. So I'm going to start with this one here. I'll put it underwater here. The water's hot, by the way. I don't know if that's going to help or not, but figured it might. Yeah, put this one in as well. A little warm there. And so now I don't want to pull all the water out prematurely, so I'm going to put the hose down in there, hold it as tight as I can, and then turn on this. And I'll try this one. Definitely feel the water, and you can see them getting blown back. Pull that back some more. So now those look free. I can see water spraying out of it freely. So that looks like it worked. Let's see about this one. Yeah, you can see the water coming right out. So that looks like a good way to do it. I just need to measure this and make an adapter that fits down in there tightly, just to make it a lot more convenient. But this seems to happen to me a lot, and I haven't been able to figure out a way to clear that, because you can't open these up. But the shop vac looks like it did a great job. So now I'm going to take some measurements and design an adapter, and the next time I do it, it'll be a lot easier. So I wanted to take a look inside the shop vac and see if I could see what's in there. And the shop vac was new and clean, and so you can see all the debris in here that's gotten pulled out through that nozzle. And that's the kind of thing I was finding. I'm not sure what that stuff is. There's a piece of metal, something there, but that's what was clogging up my dishwasher and causing it to run funky. But now I have a good way of correcting it.